Hey everybody, how you doing? It's afternoon. I'm getting ready to start putting this together, and I did my installation of my lights. And what I wanted to do was show you all right quick, do a quick video on the LED lights, the wiring, the boards that I put in them, and everything. So you could see it all before I close it all up and start assembling the main part of the fuselage of the aircraft. This is Tamiya F-15 132nd, and what I wanted to do, I'm going to turn them on and show you how it looks, and then I added some pictures up there, and then show you a little bit of what the inside looks. It's not going to be a long video, it's going to be a short video, and I used two type of boards. I used a board I made, a resistor board. Reason being is a lot of your lights are different lights. They're smaller lights, and then you have the larger lights. And we wanted to do, what you got to do is you got to put resistors in there or it'll burn the lights out. Too much voltage to one will burn it out, to where another one needs that much voltage, it won't burn it out. So what I did is I just made me a small board, connected my stuff to resistors. Then I used another board, which is a board you can use. It's a distributing board, what it really like. It has 5 different inputs or outputs, one input. And you can use it on different things. You can use it on aircrafts, especially not military, but on commercial aircrafts, because you got your dome light at the bottom, underneath blinker. You got wing lights out on the end. Then you got lights up on the tail wing that blink. Then you got your cockpit lights. Then you got your lights at the wheels at the bottom. And this board is made for all that. You can also use the board in a car or something like that, because you can have your headlights stay on. Then your turn signals flash. Then you can have 4-way flash. And then you can have in the back, you have backup lights. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring the camera down and I'm going to show you all here right quick what we got going on. Let me start with the wings. We got the lights added on the wings. And as you can see here, let me back this up a little bit for y'all. See there, you got your light on the front here, okay? And you got it on both wings. And then you got your lights up at the top, which are your blinking lights on both wings. Okay, those are very small lights up there at the top. Those 4 right there are connected to our board. Then we have the lights on our cockpit area that you already see how they worked. They're all lit up. And then what you have, excuse me for moving the camera around so much. Then you have those, and then you have your, you have lights at the bottom, landing lights, underneath where your wheels are going to be. On this here, what I did, like I told y'all, I made up these boards, and first one we have is we look inside here, and you'll see that all my wires are ran into the fuselage. And yeah, first thing you'll see, that looks like a damn mess. It does, but they're all gonna be placed down inside there like that. The first one we did was we took a board and we made it up. As you can see, there are 4 resistors, and then I let out the leads to go to different ones. You got 2 leads. You got 4 leads, I'm sorry, to your canopy lights, your canopy. Then you got your lights, the front wheel landing light. Then you got your 2 rear belly lights of the rear landing lights. And that's how I made this board up. It's made it up so I can hook everything up into it. And it's nothing major. It's all resistors come into one power source, and then they go out to each one of them. We're going to put a heat shrink in there where all the wires connected, so it'll work and stay have a good ground on it. Our other board we use, and this one runs all your tail lights, your wings, and your tail, and your is this one right here. As you can tell, you got 1 power in, 2 power, or 2 sources going out. You have these are plug-ins. As you can see, you have the slots. You have the slots right there, and what they are is male to female plugs. That's all they are, and they plug into there. A little board that I got, and it's a very small board, as you can see. And then over here you have your voltage coming in, which is 5 to 12 volts. Then you got resistors and everything. Anyway, that's sitting in there. The board helps out a lot, because you got to have a board that you can control the voltage, like I said. Without that board, you won't be able to control your voltage. So with that being said, that's what I wanted to show y'all, and how it's done. And we're going to put all this down in here. And like I showed you in the other video, you have a lot of room. Your boards will sit. Down in there, you won't even see it. That board will sit down in there, and then your other one, we're going to put it in there as well. So both of your boards will sit down inside there, out of the way and everything. Good, all this open area here, that helps out tremendously. So with that being said, I just want to do a quick video, nothing extraordinary, and let you see how I ran the LED lights on both the wings, the tail wings, and the side wings, and show you how I hooked it all up. You can do this at home. You can do these boards at home. So with that being said, nothing major. Get ready for the weekend. A quick and short class on LED introduction for the F-15. With that being said, I hope you all have a good day, good evening, and happy modeling. I'll talk at you.